turn on the car, you don't have to turn on the engine, and then make sure your audio system is on. Select menu, then you should see phone setup, then select enter. It should then show you paired list. Now turn the volume dial to change the option to pair phone, and then press on enter to select it. Then it should show ready to pair, and then few seconds later it will show you passcode is equals to 1234. Now turn on your iPhone, select settings, and then select Bluetooth. Make sure your Bluetooth is on, and then scroll all the way to the bottom. There you should see a section called other devices, and it should give you a name such as my car. Tap on it, then it would ask you to enter the pin. The pin is same as the passcode displayed on your audio system, which is 1234. Enter it, and then tap on pair. For your car to access your contacts, tap on allow. Then you can tap on back, and then here you could see my car, which is Nissan Micra, is connected. And on your audio system you could see the Bluetooth symbol with the network symbol. That means it's connected.